Ever wonder why depression messes with your appetite? It's more than just feeling down. It actually changes how you eat. Loss of appetite, depression shuts down hunger signals in your brain. You may feel like eating is just too much effort. Overeating. On the flip side, depression can trigger emotional eating as a coping mechanism. It's a way to temporarily fill the emotional void. Food choices. Your brain's reward system is off, so you crave comfort foods, like sugary snacks to feel better. When your mood is low, your body responds by affecting what, when, and how much you eat. Be aware, your eating habits might be a sign of your mental health. Follow for more insights into mind-body connections.